Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. সিএ সার্টিফিকেট লেভেল ইনফরমেশন টেকনোলজি আমরা ধারাবাহিকভাবে এমসিকিউ প্র্যাকটিস করে যাচ্ছি। এই এপিসোডে ধারাবাহিক এমসিকিউ এর 51 to 60 এই 10টি এমসিকিউ চ্যাপ্টার 3 থেকে নেওয়া। এমসিকিউ নাম্বার 51, HTTP allows the transmission of information between a web server and a client, or HTTP enables content sharing over the internet. Which one is correct? Correct answer is A. HTTP allows the transmission of information between a web server and a client. Question number 52. Trackball is alternative device of A. Mouse, B. Mouse and keyboard. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Next question 53. Touchpad is pointing device or graphic input device. Which one is correct answer? Touchpad is pointing device. Next question 54. Light pen is used for drawing, writing text, selecting date, or processing the data. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Light pen is used for drawing, writing text, selecting date. Question 55. Touchscreen panels are input device, storage device. Which one is correct answer? Answer A is correct. Touchscreen panels are input device. Question 56. OCR converts handwritten or printed data into digital form, or OCR identifies the marks. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. OCR converts handwritten or printed data into digital form. Question 57. MIR can read character created by magnetic materials, or MIR can read the coded lines. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. MIR can read character created by magnetic materials. Next question 58. OMR converts handwritten or printed data into digital form, or identifies the marks. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. OMR identifies the marks. Question 59. Scanner, digital camera, and smartphone camera are input devices used to input the data into computer system, or output device of computer system. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Scanner, digital camera, and smartphone camera are input devices used to input the data into computer system. Last question of this episode 60. Microphone is the audio input device or video input device. Which one is correct answer? Microphone is the audio input device. This is